All right, we are live, and I have a special helper today. Sadie's going to be my light bearer, and Lara's on the piano, giving us some accompaniment. All right, so today I'm going to make a pumpkin spice latte because it's been requested by a member of the family. Shout out to Mary Lee. So we're using the Drinklings Oxford blend today because it makes a great espresso. And let's get started. 18 grams in the grinder. I'm going to put that back in here. And I'm just preheating my espresso maker. This is a Flare espresso maker, Flare Pro. So there's a little bit more prep with this one. Alright, grind it. Meanwhile, I'm steaming the milk steamer. It's got to build up the pressure. 18 grams in. Good thing about these is you don't have to tamp it very hard. Screen on. Alright, and here's this. I've been preheating that too. Okay, pull this out. Alright, then we're going to make espresso first. 36 grams out. So 18 grams in coffee, 36 liquid out. Ready to go. Alright. Clear reading here. Let's see. There we go. Now we're making espresso. It's about 36. Alright. So we come over here. This is the secret stuff to make your pumpkin spice latte. So I've got honey and then this spiced pumpkin powder, which is awesome. It's got freeze-dried pumpkin in it. So that's going to prevent it from tasting kind of funky. So I need about a teaspoon's worth of honey. Drop that in here. Just gonna stir it so it makes a syrup. Turn off my timer here. I'm gonna add about, let's say, a half teaspoon pumpkin spice. We just don't want it to be chunky. Alright, good to go. I'm going to take a mug, keep this hot. Now we're going to steam. Alright, pre-chilling the steam cup and getting some oat milk here. I'm going to do about 4 ounces of milk. So there's already liquid in the cup. Alright, and hopefully our steamer is ready to go. It's sending out steam right now. Looks good. So we're going to do this kind of like a flat white. I don't need a lot of foam. I'll send it underneath the surface. And the trick is, make sure that you get so hot that you can't touch it anymore. That's when you know your milk's ready. I've already made one of these right before this, so the steamer doesn't work quite as well on your second drink. There's a little bit of nuance there. Ooh, it's getting hot enough. That's a good sign. Alright. Definitely too hot to the touch. Get rid of those big bubbles. And then I'm gonna clean off the wand. Alright. Okay, now I need a spoon. And then we're gonna pour the milk on. So I'm holding back the foam. I will add it later. I still haven't figured out latte art, so I know now is the time that I could pretty much figure it out. Maybe I'll do a mushroom today. Alright. And that is it. So a pumpkin spice flat latte. Or pumpkin spice cappuccino based on the amount of milk I did. Hope you guys enjoy, and have a great day. Thanks, Sadie, for helping out.
Yeah.
Thanks, Laura, for playing piano.